Hi friends, if you ever wondered how to use Apple Cash Card to pay in stores, you are in the right place. It's super convenient once you get the hang of it. But for the first time you can feel a bit confusing. So, let's walk through everything you need to know step by step. First thing first. Before heading out, make sure your Apple Cash Card is set up in your Apple Wallet. If it's not there, you won't be able to use it at checkout. Now, where you can actually use it. As of 2025, most major retailers accept Apple Pay, but there are still a few big exceptions you should know about it. Walmart and Sam's Club, no Apple Pay. They use their own apps like Walmart Pay and Sam's Club app. Lowe's and Home Depot, still no digital payment at all, only physical card there. But good news, Kroger started accepting Apple Pay from 2023. So you are good to go there. Also, don't worry if you don't have internet access at the store. Apple Pay works without needing to be online. Now, when you are checking out, just scan your items as usual. When you get to payment screen, select credit or debit card. You won't see an option that says Apple Pay. It's the same machine used for regular card. Next, grab your iPhone and open the wallet app. Select your Apple Cash Card. If your phone is locked or just open wallet from the lock screen, you might see pay with Face ID or pay with Touch ID. Just unlock your phone, you are good to go. When it says hold near reader, bring the front of your iPhone close to the card machine. Look for the NFC symbol. It looks like a sideways Wi-Fi logo or four dot on the machine. Hold your phone near that area. Most of the time that spot will be in a center of the machine, but sometimes it might be off to the side. Just look for those symbols. Once it reads your card, your phone will vibrate. The light on the machine will flash green and your payment is complete. And that's it. That's how you are use Apple Cash Card in stores. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe and share with someone who need to know. See you next one.